Tired of losing customers because they can't easily reach you? Let's fix that by integrating Wati, your WhatsApp business platform, directly into your WordPress website in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to ensure you have an active Wati account and a functioning WordPress website with both ready. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then head over to the plugins section on the left-hand side of your screen. Click Add New and search for a Wati plugin now. Look for a plugin specifically designed for Wati integration. Once you found the plugin, click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. After it's installed, be sure to activate the plugin. Keep that in mind that there might be multiple plugins that help you achieve the Wati and WordPress functions. Next, locate the newly installed Wati plugin in your WordPress menu. Usually this plugin creates its own menu on WordPress, so it's easier to locate. Click and go to the plugin settings panel now. Look for a field that prompts you to enter your Wati API key or access token. To locate that, go to the Wati dashboard and locate the API keys or access token section. Copy the API key or access token from your Wati account and paste it into the designated field in the plugin settings and click Save. Once you paste in the API key, the plugin will automatically configure the WhatsApp chat widget, which will be available on your website. Click on the WhatsApp chat widget to customize the welcome message for your customers. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Wati with your WordPress website now. Customers can easily reach you through WhatsApp for real-time support and instant communication, building stronger relationships and boosting conversions and satisfaction. Give it a try and watch your customer engagement soar. Please like and subscribe if you have found this video helpful.